we're running the soil saver, 9-chain disc chisel here. Just going through some sod to plant corn. So we go over once with a soil saver, which we got right now. Let it sit for a couple days, dry out, kill off the weeds, and then go through it one more time with that. And then in order to prep the seed bed, we go through it once with the soil finisher. And that's just got discs, sweeps, and then a drag on the back. And that's usually a pretty good seed bed. And usually we wait a couple days between each one of those passes, and it kills off the weeds a little bit better and dries the soil out enough to break up the clods. So today we're just going through with the soil saver, first pass, and we're in 7th gear, 4.5 miles an hour or so. Does a pretty good job getting it all broke up for the first time. We put manure on it over the winter and last fall in this particular field. That's the only fertilizer we put on. We only do 1 year of corn. We're tilling in quite a bit of alfalfa here, so that's good. That helps on the nutrient side. We've been getting around 170 bushel of corn per acre, so that's decent. Not as good as you'd get in Iowa probably, but good enough for where we're at in the hills. So you can see we did one field up there. That one there is oats and alfalfa planted a couple weeks ago. And it'll probably be another week and a half or so, middle to the end of May before we get corn planted here. Until the ground gets warm enough that corn comes up in a couple days to help get ahead of the weeds.